Title: REXING M1 Pro 2K Dual Mirror Dashcam Review. A comprehensive look at the features and performance. Have you ever found yourself second-guessing your car's safety features or regretting not having a dashcam? What if you could have a sleek, high-tech mirror that records everything in HD, even at night, while offering backup camera functionality? Well, the REXING M1 Pro 2K Dual Mirror Dashcam is here to provide that peace of mind, but does it deliver as promised? Let's break it down. Welcome to Autovated, where we review automotive products to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're reviewing the REXING M1 Pro 2K Dual Mirror Dashcam. This dual-channel dashcam captures 1440p video from the front and 1080p from the rear, making sure you have a complete view of your surroundings. With features like night vision, a 12-inch touchscreen, and a waterproof backup camera, it promises enhanced safety for your vehicle. Let's take a closer look at the specs and what this dashcam can offer. Key features: 1. Dual-channel recording, 2K front plus 1080p rear. The REXING M1 Pro offers dual-channel recording, meaning you can capture video from both the front and rear of your vehicle simultaneously. This gives you a broader perspective on the road, which is especially useful for drivers concerned about blind spots or backing up. Number 2. Enhanced night vision. Equipped with the Sony IMX335 sensor, this dashcam promises sharp video quality and vivid colors even in low light conditions. Whether you're driving at night or in a poorly lit area, you'll have a clear, detailed image to reference. 3. 12-inch IPS touchscreen with stream media and backup camera. The 12-inch screen gives you a wider view compared to traditional rear-view mirrors. And the stream media feature means you're always looking at live traffic information. The built-in backup camera is also a game-changer for preventing collisions while reversing. It's large enough to reduce the need for constant head turning, but compact enough to not obstruct your vision. 4. Parking monitor and G-sensor. This dashcam has a G-sensor that locks video footage in the event of an impact, ensuring no crucial evidence is overwritten. Additionally, the parking monitor automatically activates recording if it detects vibrations, providing 24/7 surveillance, even when your car is parked. Real-world testing and usage. Setting up the REXING M1 Pro was surprisingly straightforward. The unit mounts directly onto your rearview mirror, making installation easy without the need for professional help. The 12-inch touchscreen is highly responsive, and the IPS panel provides bright and clear visuals even in direct sunlight. When it comes to performance, the dual-channel recording is excellent for those who want a comprehensive view. The 1440p front camera delivers crisp, high-quality footage, while the 1080p rear camera ensures you can see what's happening behind your car with equal clarity. The night vision is impressive. Driving on poorly lit roads didn't result in grainy footage, which is often a concern with lower-end models. Pros and cons. Pros: high-quality recording. The combination of 1440p front and 1080p rear ensures detailed and clear video capture day or night. Ease of use. The 12-inch IPS touchscreen is large and user-friendly, providing a wider view without overwhelming the driver. Night vision. With Sony's IMX335 sensor, nighttime footage is exceptionally clear compared to other dashcams. Parking monitor. Continuous surveillance with automatic recording while parked provides an added layer of security. Simple installation. Mounting the camera on the rearview mirror was quick and hassle-free. Cons. Touchscreen sensitivity. While generally responsive, some users have noted that the screen can be overly sensitive when adjusting settings while driving. Backup camera angle. The backup camera does the job, but it could be more adjustable for different vehicle heights or angles. Comparison with competitors. When compared to similar products like the Vantrue N4 or Nextbase 622GW, the REXING M1 Pro stands out with its larger 12-inch screen and dual-channel setup at a more competitive price point. The Nextbase 622GW, for example, offers 4K recording but lacks the extensive rearview mirror functionality and parking monitor that the REXING provides. Build quality and longevity. The REXING M1 Pro feels solid and durable. The materials used in construction are robust, and the 18-month warranty is a great sign of the brand's confidence in the product. However, it's still important to keep in mind that dash cams can be affected by temperature extremes over time, especially in hotter climates, though the brand has received generally positive feedback for the longevity of its products. Customer support. REXING provides live customer support, and based on user reviews, they have a reputation for being responsive and helpful. While not every user will need support, the option to get assistance when needed is a great value add. Who it's for? The REXING M1 Pro is perfect for daily commuters, taxi drivers, and anyone looking for an added layer of security on the road. It's ideal for those who want a no-fuss, high-quality dash cam with dual-channel recording and reliable night vision. Conclusion. So, is the REXING M1 Pro 2K dual-mirror dash cam the right choice for you? Strong option if you value safety, ease of use, and clear video capture for both day and night driving. This dash cam stands out as one of the best in its class. It provides comprehensive coverage, a large screen for real-time information, and a reliable backup camera, all in one sleek design. If you're after more advanced features like 4K recording, consider alternatives like the Nextbase 622GW. But for most buyers, the REXING M1 Pro will be a smarter, budget-friendly choice. If this review helped steer you in the right direction, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to keep up with the latest in automotive tech. Thanks for watching. As always, links to the product mentioned are in the comments box below. Let us know if you've used the REXING M1 Pro or if you have any questions. Until next time, keep your ride autovated.